The centipede struck first. The colony had 3 seconds to react.
Chemical alarm. 1 second. 10,000 ants respond. They swarm the body. All 42 legs at once. 42 legs. Venom that kills in seconds. It has never lost. One strike from those claws. One ant gone instantly. One centipede. Surrounded. The war has begun. It runs, 42 legs at full speed, ants still clinging. It stops. It turns. This is the most dangerous moment. The counterattack. 3 ants per second. The venom never stops. The forcipules. Evolution's perfect weapon. 1 drop kills.
The second wave arrives. Fresh soldiers. The numbers double.
Hundreds of stings per minute. Fire ant venom accumulates. The damage. It bites its own body. Trying to remove them. Real desperation. It slows. Barely visible. But the fire ant venom is working. It slows. Barely visible. But the fire ant venom is working. Its sensory world is disrupted. It cannot read the battlefield. The head, the most dangerous target. The ants reach it. Its strikes become random. The precision is going. The chain strategy. They link bodies. They pull from all directions. 42 legs losing coordination. The venom. The chains. Both winning. The swarm covers it completely. The war reaches its peak. One final massive strike. Ants fly. Ants return. Inexhaustible. It falls. Still moving. Still dangerous. But fallen. Fallen. Not finished. The venom claws still strike upward. In its eye. No fear. No surrender. Just the instinct to survive. The movement stops. The battle is decided. The forest goes still. The aftermath. The centipede fell. But so did 500 fire ants. The fire ants carry their fallen. Every single one. They never leave them. The aftermath. The centipede fell, but so did 500 fire ants. The aftermath. The centipede fell, but so did 500 fire ants. 30 centimeters long. The ants are 3 millimeters. They won. Piece by piece, the colony carries its victory home. Underground, the colony receives what the surface won. The guards spread wider. The colony learned today. It is ready. 30 minutes later, the trail reforms. The colony never stopped. This colony controls 50 square meters, dozens of trails. An empire. Underground, the queen lays eggs. She is why they fought. The giant centipede, 270 million years old as a species. Normally, it hunts alone and wins alone. It always has. Solenopsin, fire ant venom, a unique alkaloid found nowhere else. 1 million ants, one queen, one purpose, one colony. No brain controls this. Every ant is the brain. The colony thinks. A different centipede approaches. It does not know what happened here. It detects the scent markers. Something in its chemistry says, "Careful." It changes direction. Instinct, not memory. The chemistry speaks. The scouts detect it. A smaller alarm this time. Assessment only. They pass near each other, both aware, neither attacks. This is balance. The centipede hunts elsewhere. The trail continues. The ecosystem works. Inside, the larvae eat. The battle fed the next generation. One perfect predator alone. 1 million imperfect soldiers together. Both survive. Golden hour. Both species alive. Both continuing. This is survival. And the centipede. Still here. Still hunting. The predator never rests. And the centipede. Still here. Still hunting. The predator never rests. 100,000 fire ants. In golden light. Unstoppable. Underground, the queen never stops. The colony's future is always being made. Under the bark, centipede eggs. The predator's next generation waits. Night falls. The ants rest. The centipede's time begins. Stars above. The war below. It never truly ends. Not in the forest. Tomorrow, the centipede will cross again. The ants will be ready. The forest never rests.